Creative plastic bottle planter ideas for your home garden. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are dividing into a fun and eco-friendly project, turning plastic bottles into a unique planters for your home garden. Not only does this help reduce waste, but it also adds charming touch to your outdoor space. Let's explore some creative ideas. Inspire your next gardening venture. First of all, if you are new here or if you like these ideas, so please like the video and click the subscribe and press the bell icon, and this video share to your friends and family members. Transform empty plastic bottles into hanging planters by cutting them in half horizontally. Punch holes near the rim for hanging, fill with a soil and plant your favorite flower and herb. Hang these colorful planters from a sturdy support like a pergola or a tree branch to add vertical interest to your garden. A vertical garden by stocking plastic bottles vertically and securing them with a zip tie or wire. With a little creative and ingenuity, plastic bottle can be transformed into a beautiful and functional planters for your home garden. So don't forget like, share, subscribe for more gardening tips and inspiration. Happy gardening. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.